Hello, how we can commit and push to GitHub using access personal token? First, let's create a repository to which we token to which we commit to token. This is token repository, public, and let's create it. Let's open Notepad to save some information. For now we can create or push these commands. Let's close, let's paste them. Okay, next let's add this one and HTTP and okay, token git clone and this one. So here is git push command and options, all options which we can add to that command. So we create our repository, we copy some commands to it. Let's create a token. To create personal access token, we need to navigate to settings, developer settings, and personal access token, and tokens classic, and generate new token, classic token. We need to type password and navigate. We need to give token name, let's give all permission, but you need to carefully select this permission. So we have token, let's copy it and paste here. So we have token. Some of scopes you are selected are included. Scopes. Okay. Let's return back to our repository. Home. Okay. Here and here we have token repository. Here's some commands we can init, we can add, but we already created a repository, so we need to only clone it to our Windows or operation system. Okay, because of that our repository is public, we can just clone it without passwords. Okay, and we need token, cd token. So our repository is empty, we cloned it, So now what we need to do, we can add some information to our probably let's add txt file. So I have added file token txt where I define some steps. For now, what we should do is we need to add our file. Then we can check git status on branch main, new file. Next, what we can do, we can add commit. For example, like this, commit add token. Okay, let's check status. So now status. So now we can push. When we push using command git push, it selected repository name and from current git file, so we don't need define additional information. It should push to the same repository which we cloned. So let's try git push. So I have updated my git. I download installer and install. Let's try again. Some pop-up window where we can define token. Let's copy our token. Let's put it and let's see what happened. So we have pushed, I suppose. Let's refresh our page. So we have our txt file and here some information. So let's create another one repository which will be private. Let's create new private repository and we can add readme and make it private, and let's create it. So here it is, private repository. So to clone it we need to have let's try to clone it. Quote local, let's try clone it, git clone, and so yes, it's cloned because we already passed our token in context, so it knows our token. What we can do, we can delete our token. Let's delete it. Developer settings, personal access token, classics. Let's delete it. So let's remove private. Let's move above So that's clear. So let's try again. Git clone private. So yes, we don't have username or password. So for this purpose, we need to create a token. Let's generate new token. Test 7 days. Okay. Okay. Let's generate. Let's copy it. That's this already deleted token. This is new one. How we can manage that? Let's return back to our repository and let's move to token repository. Let's see some example. Here is example. We need to define username, so access token, this token and repository. Let's turn back. Our repository is private. And let's try to clone. So yes, it works, and we can move to private. So we can see our readme. That's all what you need to know. If we want to push our repository to the another repository. So I have another user, another GitHub user, another GitHub repository, and I have another personal access token for this repository I generate. Let's try. So yes, it created new branch in repository. Let's try to find it. GitHub, so there. All GitHub. So yes, so it's there, and let's navigate, and here is token repository, and we can see that it has the same information as we had in our repository. So this is command, the same as this. GitHub username, access token, then GitHub username and repository name, but just add these two, it works. As for clone, as for push.